All right, guys, the last thing I'm going to show you today is how to use this board you got in your bag. So on one side, it has lines. We're using the side that has 3 boxes on it. The first box says read. The second box says build. The third box says write. So the things you need to do this activity are this board, the words you want to practice writing, so this can be color words like I'm going to do. This can be sight words for our friends who are going to kindergarten. This could be practicing finding your letters, writing your letters. It doesn't have to be a word. There's lots of ways to use it. And I'm going to use these letter cards that you guys got in your bag, but you could also use magnet letters. You could use letter blocks. There's a lot of options. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick what word you want to write. My first word is what? Pink. So I'm going to put my pink in the read spot. So I see that it says pink. Next it says build. So I need to find the letters to build the word pink. Let's see if I can find some that match. I found what letter? I. I found my I. I found my P. So I have P-I-N-K. I built my word. So now I have the word that I read, the word that I built, which it matches, and now I'm going to practice writing it with my dry erase marker. Because then if I use this kind of marker, I can write on here and erase it, and it comes all the way off. So you need your dry erase marker. Then I'm going to practice writing it. So P-I-N-K. Boom. I use my board to write, to read the word pink, to build the word pink, and to write the word pink. Do you guys think you can do that? I bet you can. Sometimes you might need to have a wet thing to wipe it off, but that's okay too. So that's how you use this board. Super quick, super easy. You read it, you build it, and you write it. So if I wanted to practice letters, I could put an N on top. Go find a letter N that's made out of a magnet, or maybe something that starts with the letter N, and then practice writing my letter N. All right, I hope you guys have fun practicing. It's always so good to practice. I will see you guys tomorrow for more activities. Bye.